is gonna be, my video is called My Life as a Roblox Player featuring Inspired by my brother and inspired by me. So, let's get on with the skit. Hey, you was inspired by me. Quinn, can you help me with this one? This is seeming real hard. See, I can't even get past this. Okay, just let me push this. Okay, just let me push this one button. Get me out! Nah, I like it with you not here. I'm gonna be stuck in here. Unless you find my secret tool hidden in there. How about you go to another game and find my tool? Look, you don't wanna go? I can't get out, so I can't go to another game. So I guess I'm just gonna... How about I press the button, then I'll travel you. I guess I'm just gonna be stuck in here. You want me to press I'm stuck in here forever! You want me to press my other button? Press pause. So, this is my video. This was the thing for my video. We're recording the computer and visit her. That's her username. Let the camera focus. ETBeauty404. So you can visit me on Roblox and visit me. I am Quinn Cool Doge, but he can't be on it for a little bit because I'm grounded. So the shoutouts will be down below. Make sure to like and subscribe and ta-ta for now. Okay, now we gotta upload this to YouTube.